You spend so much time trying to improve your SEO. So don't let this one serious aspect of SEO negatively affect all of your hard work. What are we talking about in today's video? Having pesky broken links on your website. Welcome back to another edition of 60-Second SEO. I'm Mariah, a website strategist over at mariahmagazine.com, where I help website owners just like you get more results from your website with less pressure. One of the most common elements of bad SEO is having broken links on your website. And unfortunately, it's like the easiest SEO factor to overlook. I mean, think about that blog post that you wrote like 2 years ago. Have any of the links that you linked out to changed since you published it? When's the last time you checked? See how easily broken links can get out of hand, especially with your super old blog posts and pages that you might not even really think about anymore? But why are broken links such a big deal when it comes to SEO? Well, one of the ways that search engines rank websites is by crawling their links. So if there are broken links on your website, it can stop these search engine spiders from crawling your site. And if they can't crawl it, can't really index it, so you can't really show up in search results. Having broken links also frustrates your website visitors and provides them with a poor user experience. And if you frustrate your website visitor, you can almost guarantee that they're not going to stick around on your website very long. Cleaning up broken links can add context to your website, improve user experience, and make content within your website easier for visitors and search engines to discover. And if you tend to leave your broken links for too long, it could take a toll on your SEO ranking, because websites with too many broken links can be a signal of low quality to search engines. The good news is that they're pretty easy to find and correct, whether your website is on WordPress or on Squarespace or Shopify, regardless of the platform. I have a quick tutorial that you can follow that helps you find and fix those broken links on your website. So I'll link to that below in the video description. So that's it for this edition of 60-Second SEO. If you have an SEO question that you'd like answered, go ahead and just pop it in the comments below. Or if you need some clarification on some SEO things, you can go ahead and toss that below too. And if you like this video, just give it a quick thumbs up for me. And then don't forget to subscribe, because these bad boys are coming out every week to help you understand the world of SEO just a little bit better.